Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Diablo 4 Lord of Hatred, crashing at startup, freezing on black screens, or throwing fatal errors on your PC. Let's get you straight into the expansion. First, open your Documents folder, find the Diablo 4 folder, and locate the local prefs text file. Delete it entirely. This resets corrupted graphic configurations that block the client from launching. Next, open battle.net or Steam, click on the game settings, and run the Scan and Repair or Verify Integrity tool to restore missing files. If you get stuck on a black screen right at launch, hold Alt plus Enter on your keyboard to instantly force the engine into windowed mode, bypassing stubborn full-screen startup conflicts. Finally, head to your graphics control panel and disable all third-party overlays, including Discord and GeForce Experience. If you are on a handheld PC, go into the in-game options and turn off the battery level indicator to eliminate severe engine freezes. Your game will now load perfectly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.